Hello friends, my name is P.K. Malhotra. I am chairman for the Center for Legislative Studies and Research being run by Malhotra University, Faridabad. Prior to taking up this assignment, I was working as secretary in the Ministry of Law and Justice and had opportunity to head the legislative department as well as the Department of Legal Affairs. After taking over as chairperson of the Center for Legislative Studies and Research, the endeavor of the Malhotra University has been to impart training to those who are interested in having training in legislative drafting. Legislative drafting is a very special subject, but it is not taught in the colleges normally. It needs a special training to be a good legislative draftsman. The Center for Legislative Studies and Research have already conducted 2 editions of the refresher course in legislative training, and now the center proposes to conduct 3rd edition of program in legislative drafting in consultation with and in coordination with Suveeksha, which is an online education platform. Suveeksha also believe in online education, and because of the COVID situation, it was thought proper that the Center for Legislative Studies as well as Suveeksha should conduct the 3rd edition also online. The course is being conducted on the weekends so that more and more people can join it. As all of us understand, becoming a good lawyer is one thing, but becoming a good draftsman is another thing, because it needs a special skill. Because legislative drafting is not only an art, it is also a science. It is an art because you need a special skill as a draftsman, and you must know the nuances of that skill. It is also a science because you have to follow certain principles while drafting this law. Therefore, after conducting 2 successful courses, in the 3rd course, we decided that all those who are interested in legislative drafting must participate in this course, and I invite you to take advantage in this course, where we have requested faculty who are actually involved in drafting of laws in the Government of India, in the Parliament, or actually interpret these laws while working in the courts, and those who are teaching these subjects in the academics. This unique combination of academicians, professional, and the legislative department of the Government of India will give you an opportunity to know first hand how the laws are drafted, what are the mistakes which are generally committed, what precautions should be taken while drafting these laws, so that once they are challenged in the court of law, their validity is upheld. Many times the courts have adversely commented on the drafts or the laws which are passed by the Parliament. If we have to avoid this kind of criticism, I think it's an everyday effort to improve in the drafting skill, and the attempt in this particular course is going to be to bridge the gap between a draft which is not appreciated by the courts and by the common man, and to see that the clarity which is needed by a common man for whom the laws are drafted is brought while bringing these legislations. Therefore, I would suggest that all those who want to understand the nuances of drafting a law, they must participate in this particular course, so that they can take advantage of the expertise which will be coming from various fields, the academia, the professionals, as well as the legal draftsmen. Thank you very much.